Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 12th, 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. What do we have here? Plenty of data released overnight, but not that much important for us. Not really a game changer. So we got a pretty much nice data, bunch of data from UK. Climate count change and climate count rate. Average earnings index and the housing equity withdrawal. So we got data that mostly beat the expectations. From the UK, we got the ZEW survey, as you can see here, both from Germany and from the whole Eurozone, scheduled for release at 11 o'clock. And as you can see, the market participants expect a significant drop from 31 to 27.9 for the whole Eurozone, and from 31.9 to 25 from the Germany. So kind of interesting data might provided here. During the London session, we got only FOMC member Rafael Bostic to give us a speech. The rest of the data is not really that much important. So we will take a look on the British pound. This is British pound to Japanese yen, and we are looking for it because of the recent breakout. Right, we got a breakout out of this above this short-term trend line. We broke yesterday above the key technical resistance at the level of 153.39. The yesterday's high was made at the level of 154.48. So it's far away from the technical resistance, and that's a valid breakout. So what could happen now on the British pound to Japanese yen is some kind of a test here of this breakout, and then move continuation towards first 155.18, and then of course towards 156 levels. Please notice that the momentum is, as you can see, strong, positive. Is not the end of the move yet, because the momentum is not in the overbought levels, not above 70. So it looks like we are having we're having Japanese yen weakness. Yeah, let's take a look at the euro. The euro to the Japanese yen. Let's see how this market is doing. The same situation. Euro to the Japanese yen has broken out of this channel that's been from 1st of the June 2021, and it hit and broke a little bit above the level of 130.93, which is the key technical resistance, right? So we got this violation here. Very nice move to the upside out of the channel. Looks bullish to me, especially because we have this momentum here, as you can see, at the level of 63 points, which means this is a strong and positive momentum behind the move up. So we could, of course, move higher. The next target for bulls is seen at the level of 132.62. So that's the high from the end of the June 2021. So it looks like it is Japanese yen weakening across the board. We have data from the Eurozone and from the UK. So let's take a look at the euro to the British pound. As you can see, we have a typical reversal. We have been witnessing this kind of a reversal before many times. This is very, very common thing for the euro to the British pound. As you can see, level technical level of the resistance 8,668 never been hit. The recent low was 8,657, 10 pips away. And then we have the reversal, and we hit the technical support at 8,471. But this is not the oversold market yet, because we just hit 38 points on the RSI. We need 30 to call it oversold. So the overall picture of the euro to the British pound looks, well, it still looks bearish, because it's still inside, the price is still inside of this descending channel. So I think that the lows of the beginning of the August 2021 will be tested sooner or later, of course, on the euro to the British pound. Let's take a look at gold. What is gold doing after the NFP data from Friday? We didn't look at it yet. What do we have here? We have a very interesting candle, which is typical false breakout candle. So we out of the channel, but we got this pin bar here, and right now the bears are being pushed back inside the channel. They are still fighting, but it looks like this fight will end up very shortly. 1,780 is still the key technical resistance in the short term. If we back to the channel, most likely the market will test the green zone here. The green zone is between the level of 1,677 and 1,668, and that's of course very close to the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the whole move up. So interesting situation on gold, waiting for another wave towards the downside. And last but not least, Bitcoin. Let's take a look what's going on the Bitcoin. We took a look yesterday. We are still going higher. We are still developing wave 3. And the next target on Bitcoin, as you can see, is still at 59,528. The wave progression is developing. This is an impulsive wave, and we are right now trading in oversold market conditions, extremely oversold market conditions. 73 points already has been hit on the RSI, so it looks like there might be some sort of a temporary top made on the Bitcoin, and the corrective wave 4 might be underway sooner or later. And then of course there's wave 5 still left to be made on the Bitcoin. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.